Natural remedies for nail growth. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we've got 4 natural remedies that can help strengthen your nails and promote nail growth. So if you experience weak, brittle or peeling nails, then this is definitely the video for you. Natural remedies are great because you're harnessing the power of the nutrients that are found in the natural foods and the oils, whilst at the same time you're avoiding the chemicals and preservatives that are often added to commercial nail remedies and treatments. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Garlic oil. Garlic is rich in selenium, which really helps to promote nail growth, and garlic's also an antioxidant and has powerful antibacterial properties, so it can help to overcome trace toxins and keep the nail bed healthy, which in turn allows your nails to grow better. And you can try rubbing your fingernails with a piece of sliced garlic, or if you prefer you can make your own garlic oil to use as a nail mask. To do this, place several cloves of crushed garlic in a jar with some olive oil and then leave this to infuse for 10 days, and afterwards strain the mixture to remove the garlic pieces. You can then massage this oil into your nails and cuticles every night before rinsing it off in the morning. And remember, massage stimulates blood flow, which helps to deliver nutrients from your bloodstream to your nails. Lemon juice and honey. Lemon juice can help brighten your nails and remove stains, but furthermore the vitamin C promotes stronger growth. And at the same time, honey helps fight bacterial and fungal growth and can help keep your nails and cuticles nourished and supple. So combine honey's hydrating properties with those of lemon juice to create a honey and lemon nail mask by mixing 2 teaspoons of honey with a few drops of lemon juice and then massaging it into your nails and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. And then afterwards rinse off thoroughly and you should be left with brighter nails, softer cuticles, and if you use it regularly, stronger nails over time. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is extremely hydrating and can help strengthen your nails and soften your cuticles. Also, it's got very good antifungal properties which can help prevent nail infections. So try warming coconut oil for 20 seconds in the microwave and then massage it into the cuticles just before bedtime. And to seal in the treatment, wear a pair of thin cotton gloves overnight. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has excellent antifungal properties, so it's really good if you suffer from fungal nail infections, which if you leave untreated can cause you to lose infected nails. And apple cider vinegar is also acidic, which works by neutralising the alkaline environment that encourages fungal growth. And to use, fill a large bowl with equal parts of apple cider vinegar and warm water, and then soak your feet or hands for at least 20 minutes before patting them dry with a clean towel. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.